Sili Said Lake, which has been recently declared as a Ramsar site, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Who recently won the title of Miss Universe 2025? Correct answer is option A, Fatima Bosch of Mexico. Where was the United Nations COP30 summit held in November 2025? Correct answer is option C, Belém, Brazil. Who won the FIDE World Cup 2025, held in Goa? Correct answer is option C, Javokhir Sindarov. Who has become the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Surya Kant. Which state has topped the medal tally at the first edition of Khelo India Water Sports 2025? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indonesia. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option B, Opal Suchita Changsri of Thailand. Who won the men's singles title of French Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Carlos Alcaraz. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Canada. Who has become the 11th member of ASEAN in October 2025? Correct answer is option C, Timor-Leste. Which country hosted the G20 Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, South Africa. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? Correct answer is option A, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who has been appointed as the next Director General of UNESCO? Correct answer is option A, Khaled El Anani. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? Correct answer is option C, TCA Kalyani. Which countries have recently become members of the New Development Bank in July 2025? Correct answer is option D, Colombia and Uzbekistan. Which of the following has become the first Indian organization to win 2025 Ramon Magsaysay Award? Correct answer is option B, Educate Girls. Which state became the first in India to achieve 100% literacy in 2025? Correct answer option C, Mizoram. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Correct answer is option A, Arulam, Kerala. Who won the Best FIFA Men's Player of the Year Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Usman Dembele. Which country won the Squash World Cup 2025 title for the first time by defeating Hong Kong? Correct answer is option B, India. Who was awarded the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for 2024? Correct answer is option B, Michelle Bachelet. Which medal India won at the Sultan of Johor Cup 2025, held in Malaysia? Right answer is option B, silver medal. In March 2025, which Indian state has launched the P4 initiative to eradicate poverty by 2029? Correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Which city will host the 2030 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is option C, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Urjit Patel has been appointed as the executive director at which institution? Correct answer is option D, International Monetary Fund. India's first biopolymer manufacturing plant will be set up in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Lakhimpur Kheri. Which city has recently been nominated by the Government of India as UNESCO's Creative City of Gastronomy? Correct answer is option A. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. What is India's rank in the Air Power Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, third rank. Who authored the book titled Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India? Correct answer is option D, Srinath Raghavan. Who won the 13th edition of the ICC Women's World Cup 2025 by defeating South Africa in the finals? Correct answer is option B, India. Where has ISRO launched the Hope mission for Gaganyaan? Correct answer is option D, Ladakh. Which state has recently declared 2025 to 2035 as the Decade of Hydropower? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Correct answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Who has won the Kalinga Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Goa FC. What is India's rank in the 2025 Economic Freedom Index? Correct answer is option C, 128th rank. Shubhanshu Shukla was sent to the International Space Station under which mission? Correct answer is option C, Mission Axiom 4. Which country becomes the first Latin American country to back out from China's Belt and Road Initiative? Correct answer is option A, Panama. Who was honored Ethiopia's highest civilian honor, the Great Honor Nishan of Ethiopia? Correct answer is option C, Narendra Modi. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Who won the Sastra Ramanujan Prize in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Alexander Smith. What is the name of the world's first digital tribal university launched in New Delhi? Correct answer is option B, Adi Sanskriti. Who has been appointed as the second Principal Secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikanta Das. Friedrich Merz has become the new Chancellor of which country? Correct answer is option A, Germany. Which country has officially become the world's first cashless country? Correct answer is option B, Sweden. Inga Ruzhanin has been appointed as Prime Minister of which country in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Lithuania. Where was the COP15 of the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands held? Correct answer is option C, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Who has recently become the chairman of the 23rd Law Commission? Right answer is option D, Dinesh Maheshwari. Who topped the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Haryana. Who has been appointed as the next Revenue Secretary of the Union Finance Ministry? Correct answer is option A, Arvind Srivastav. Who has been awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature 2025? Correct answer is option C, Laszlo Krasznahorkai of Hungary. Who won the 2025 Booker Prize for his novel Flesh? Correct answer is option B, David Shalay. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Where will the first Olympic esports games be held in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Which ministry has declared 2025 as the Year of Reforms? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Defense. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Where was India's first digital museum of tribal freedom fighters located? Correct answer is option C, Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Which Indian group won the Equator Initiative Award 2025 by UNDP? Correct answer is option A, Bibi Fatima Self-Help Group. Vinod Kumar Shukla, who won the 59th Jnanpith Award, belongs to which state? Correct answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Where was India-Uzbekistan joint military exercise Dust Lick 6 conducted? Correct answer is option A, Pune, Maharashtra. Which launch vehicle was used by ISRO to launch its first space docking mission, SpaceX? Correct answer is option C, PSLV-C-60. Who was honored with the Dadasaheb Phalke Award 2023 in September 2025? Correct answer is option D, Mohanlal. Which astrophysicist was posthumously selected for the Vigyan Ratna Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Professor Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. Who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? Correct answer is option C, Sonali Mishra. Which state has been officially declared as the country's first fully literate state? Correct answer is option C, Mizoram. Who has recently won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manika Vishwakarma. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai, UAE. Whose autobiography is The One, Cricket, My Life and More? Right answer is option C, Shikhar Dhawan. Who has become the first Indian woman cricketer to score centuries in all three formats? Correct answer is option D, Smriti Mandhana. Who won the prestigious 2025 Food Planet Prize for its innovative green fertilizer technology? Correct answer is option A, Nitro Kept of Sweden. Who won both the men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025 title by defeating England in the finals? Correct answer is option C, India. Who has been elected as the president of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Correct answer is option A, Zhou Ziyai. Who was awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman in 2025? Correct answer option C, Bhadresh Das Swami. What is India's rank in the 2025 Sustainable Development Goals Index? Correct answer is option C, 99th rank. In which state is India's first AI-based data center park set to be established? Correct answer is option A, Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Which team won the 17th edition of the Men's Asia Cricket Cup in 2025? Right answer is option A, India. Which state capital was connected to the National Railway network through the Barabie-Sairang rail line for the first time? Correct answer is option A, Aizawl, Mizoram. Who won the gold medal at the 2025 Paris Diamond League with a throw of 88.16 meters? Right answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Which will become the world's first city to run completely on renewable energy? Correct answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Who has been recently appointed as the head of the Controller General of Defense Accounts? Correct answer is option C, Vishwajit Sahai. Shirley Botchway of which country becomes the first African woman to assume office as the Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations? Correct answer is option C, Ghana. Where is India's largest green ammonia project being established? Correct answer is option C, Gopalpur, Orissa. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of the Railway Board? Right answer is option C, Satish Kumar. India defeated which country to win the first ever Women's T20 Blind World Cup 2025 held in Colombo? Correct answer is option C, Nepal. The National Highways Authority of India has introduced India's first wildlife safe road on NH45 in which state? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA? Right answer is option C, Shivasubramanian Raman. Who won the Best Picture award at the International Indian Film Academy 2025? Correct answer is option C, Lapata Ladies. Which team won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? Correct answer is option A, India. Which Indian has been awarded the 2025 UNEP Young Champions of the Earth Award? Correct answer is option D, Janali Modi. Who has been reappointed as the Attorney General of India in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, R. Venkataramani. The Gorsham Kora festival is annually celebrated in which Indian state? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Which country's photographer has been awarded the World Press Photo Award of the Year award? Correct answer is option B, Palestine. Pondaru Khadi, which has recently been granted the GI tag, belongs to which state? Correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Athletics Championships 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Who has been declared the Person of the Year by Time magazine for the year 2025? Correct answer is option C, the Architects of AI. Who won the Men's Fight World Rapid Championship 2025 title? Correct answer is option A, Magnus Carlsen. Who was honored with the C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Which film has won the prestigious Golden Peacock Award for Best Film at the 56th International Film Festival of India? Correct answer option B, the Vietnamese film Skin of Youth. The 14th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Indra 2025 recently took place between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Who was named the World Athlete of the Year, Men in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Armand Duplantis. Which team won their 8th FIH Men's Junior Hockey World Cup title after defeating Spain? Correct answer is option C, Germany. Where was the 19th edition of the India-Nepal Joint Military Exercise, Surya Kiran 19, 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand. According to the 2025 Hurun Global 1000 list, which company became the world's most valuable company? Correct answer is option D, Nvidia. Which railway station received the National Energy Conservation Award 2025 as Best Performing Unit Transport category? Correct answer is option B, Miana Railway Station, Madhya Pradesh. Who became the first woman president of the Indian Cricketers Association in October 2025? Right answer is option D, Shanta Rangaswamy. India's first gallium nitride-based semiconductor fabrication plant will be set up in which state? Correct answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Who has been appointed as the president of ASSOCHAM? Right answer is option C, Nirmal Kumar Minder. Which of the following players were awarded Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 2025? Correct answer is option E, all of the above. Who has been appointed as the new President of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees in December 2025? Correct answer is option C, Barham Saleh. Which country honored PM Modi with the Order of the Most Ancient Welwitschia Mirabilis in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Namibia. Which of the following has become India's most valuable brand, according to the Brand Finance Global 2025 report? Right answer is option A, Tata Group. Where was the World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Mumbai. Which team won Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025 by defeating Haryana? Correct answer, option C, Jharkhand. Which country has joined the International Big Cat Alliance as its 19th member in December 2025? Correct answer is option A, Russia. Which Indian cities have joined the list of accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention in January 2025? Right answer is option C, Indore and Udaipur. Which country honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan, in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sri Lanka. Who has been re-elected as the president of the New Development Bank, NDB? Correct answer is option C, Dilma Rousseff. Who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation? Right answer is option B, Khunying Patama. Which has become the first Indian city to install portable solar panels between railway tracks? Right answer is option C, Varanasi. What is the rank of India in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 38th rank. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs? Correct answer is option B, Vivek Chaturvedi. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in October 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shirish Chandra Murmu. Nageshwar Reddy was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option C, medicine. Who is the author of the book, The World After Gaza? Correct answer is option A, Pankaj Mishra. Whose tenure has been extended till 2026 as the Chief of Defence Staff in September 2025? Right answer is option B, General Anil Chauhan. Where was India's largest lithium-ion battery manufacturing plant launched? Right answer is option D, Haryana. Who won the WTA Player of the Year award for 2025? Correct answer is option C, Aryana Sabalenka. Who has recently made history by becoming the first Indian to receive the prestigious Kenton R. Miller Award? Correct answer is option A, Sonali Ghosh. Who has taken charge as the chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Correct answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. Where will India's first night safari Kukral be established? Correct answer is option D, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Which state, UT, hosted the 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Which state has the highest number of solar power installations under PM Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Who has become the chairman of the National Security Advisory Board, NSAB? Correct answer is option C, Alok Joshi. Who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kumar Mangalam Birla. Which protected area of Orissa has been declared the 107th National Park of India? Right answer is option C, Simlipal National Park. Who won the Best Director Award for his film Anora at the 2025 Academy Awards? Correct answer is option B, Sean Baker. India's first Dugong Conservation Reserve, which has received formal recognition from IUCN, is located in which region? Correct answer is option B, Palk Bay, Tamil Nadu. Which country has won the BWF Sudirman Cup 2025 for the fourth consecutive term? Correct answer is option B, China. Which state tops the Niti Aayog's first fiscal health index 2025? Correct answer option C, Odisha. Which airport has been certified as India's first water positive airport? Correct answer is option B, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Who has been named CEO of the Year 2025 by Times Magazine? Correct answer is option D, Neil Mohan. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2026? Correct answer is option C, 23rd rank. The MAVEN mission was launched by which space agency? Correct answer is option C, NASA. Exercise Ajay Warrior 25 is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is option A, United Kingdom. Where will India's first forest university be established? Correct answer is option D, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Which city topped the list of million-plus population cities in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2025? Correct answer is option B, Indore. What is the name of India's first fully indigenous 32-bit microprocessor launched at Semicon India 2025? Correct answer option A, Vikram 3201. Who has authored the book titled M.S. Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India? Right answer is option B, Priyambada Jayakumar. Where was the 9th edition of Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Which country has launched nuclear submarine, Khabarovsk, capable of carrying Poseidon drone? Correct answer is option A, Russia. Who has been elected as the chairperson of the Badminton World Federation Athletes Commission for the 2026 to 2029 term? Correct answer is option B, PV Sindhu. Where was the World Summit on Disaster Management 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Which has become the 123rd country to sign the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Angola. In May 2025, India has overtaken which country to become the fourth largest economy in the world? Right answer is option C, Japan. Who has been appointed as the president-elect of the FICCI for 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, Anant Goenka. Narendra Modi was honored with the highest honor, Grand Cross of the Order of Makarios III, of which country? Correct answer is option D, Cyprus. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. What is India's rank in the recently released Global Gender Gap Report 2025? Correct answer is option B, 131st rank. Where was the first International Conference on Glaciers Preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT? Right answer is option B, Ravi Agrawal. The NATO Summit 2025 was held in which country? Right answer is option B, The Hague, Netherlands. Catherine Connolly has been appointed as the president of which country? Correct answer is option C, Ireland. Which organization built India's first fully indigenous hydrogen fuel cell passenger vessel? Correct answer is option B, Kochi Shipyard Limited. Which country has become the 90th state member of the International Union for Conservation of Nature? Right answer is option A, Tuvalu. Who won the FIDE World Junior Chess Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Pranav Venkatesh. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Right answer is option B 7. Who topped the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025? Correct answer is option C Manipur. Who authored the book Why the Constitution Matters? Correct answer is option B Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. M.S. Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace 2025 was given to Ademola Adenle. He belongs to which country? Correct answer is option B Nigeria. Who has been honored with the United Nations Mandela Award 2025? Right answer is option D both B and C, Brenda Reynolds and Kennedy Odate. Which men's kabaddi team won the gold medal at the 38th National Games? Correct answer is option A Uttar Pradesh. Who recently won the 2025 British Academy Book Prize for the book, The Burning Earth? Correct answer is option B Sunil Amrit. Patrick Hermine has become the president of which country? Correct answer is option B Seychelles. The Indian men's hockey team won the Hockey Asia Cup 2025 by defeating which country? Correct answer is option D South Korea. Which state government declared 2025 as the year of urban development? Correct answer is option A Gujarat. Exercise Tiger Triumph is a bilateral military exercise conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B United States. Which country did India defeat in the final of the 2025 Under-19 Women's World Cup? Correct answer is option A South Africa. Who was appointed as the new CEO of the International Cricket Council in July 2025? Correct answer is option C Sanjog Gupta. Which country topped the medal tally of Asian Para Archery Championship 2025? Correct answer is option A China. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Times Magazine's Woman of the Year 2025 list? Right answer option A Purnima Devi Barman. Which country hosted the SCO Summit 2025? Correct answer is option C Tianjin, China. Which state government has introduced the Deen Dayal Lado Lakshmi scheme? Correct answer is option C Haryana. Who won the 2025 UN Population Award for her efforts to stop sex-selective abortion and promote gender equality? Correct answer is option A Varsha Deshpande. Which of the following countries will host FIFA World Cup in 2026? Right answer option B USA, Canada and Mexico. Which has become the first South Asian country to join the UN Water Convention? Correct answer is option C Bangladesh. Who were honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics 2025? Correct answer option D all of the above, John Clark, Michel H. Davorat and John M. Martinez. Which state has recently launched Majhe Ghar housing scheme in October 2025? Correct answer is option A Goa. Which country assumed the chairmanship of BIMSTEC for 2025 to 27? Correct answer is option C Bangladesh. Which is the 44th Indian site to be inscribed in the UNESCO World Heritage List? Correct answer is option A Maratha Military Landscapes. Which Gram Panchayat won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A Rohini Gram Panchayat, Maharashtra. Who won India's first ever Mrs. Universe title in 2025? Right answer is option B Sherry Singh. Which district has become India's first fully solar-powered district in May 2025? Correct answer is option C Diu. Which state organized the world's largest open-air theatre, Dhanu Yatra? Correct answer is option B, Orissa. Which country recently won the Davis Cup title 2025 by defeating Spain? Correct answer is option B, Italy. The 21st edition of the India-US Joint Military Exercise Yuddha Abhyas 2025 was held at. Correct answer is option A, Alaska, USA. Joint military exercise of Khanjar was conducted between India with which country? Correct answer is option B, Kyrgyzstan. Who was appointed as the President of Tanzania in November 2025? Right answer is option C, Samia Suluhu Hassan. Who won the Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year award at Laureus World Sports Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Amor Duplantis and Simone Biles. Who has been appointed as the 47th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vatsayan. Daniel Noboa has been re-elected as the President of which country? Correct answer is option C, Ecuador. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of the Estimates Committee? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Jaiswal. Yaktan village of which state was announced as India's first digital nomad village? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. Which country was the host of World Humanoid Robot Games 2025? Correct answer is option D, China. Which team has won the Irani Cup 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, Vidarbha. GP Drasti drone program has been launched by which state government? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. What is the time limit for appealing in the High Court under the Waqf Act 2025? Correct answer is option C, 90 days. Which country honored PM Narendra Modi with the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross? Correct answer is option D, Brazil. Which state has recorded the highest number of dolphins in the Ganga River Dolphin Survey conducted for the first time in India? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index, released in October 2025? Correct answer is option D, 85th rank. Rodrigo Paz has been appointed as the President of which country? Correct answer is option D, Bolivia. What was India's rank in the medal tally of the 2025 World Para Athletics Championships? Correct answer is option D, 10th rank. Who was appointed as the new Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Kavinder Gupta. Who has been appointed as the Chairperson of the National Commission for Women, NCW? Correct answer is option A, Vijay Rahatkar. Where was the 8th Indian Ocean Conference 2025 been held? Correct answer is option A, Muscat, Oman. Who has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 by the United Kingdom government? Right answer is option B, Chiranjeevi. Annalena Baerbock was elected as the President of the 80th General Assembly. She belongs to which country? Correct answer is option C, Germany. Which train has officially become the fastest train in India, operating at a maximum speed of 160 km per hour? Correct answer is option B, Namo Bharat. The world's highest Chenab railway arch bridge is located in which state, UT? Correct answer is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Which country will host the 18th BRICS Summit 2026? Right answer is option C, India. Who is the Chief Economic Advisor of India, whose term has been extended till March 2027? Correct answer is option B, V. Ananta Nageshwaran. Where has India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant been set up? Correct answer is option C, Kandla Port, Gujarat. India's first cheetah safari has been launched in which national park? Correct answer is option A, Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh. In 2025, which of the following countries were officially declared malaria-free by the World Health Organization? Correct answer is option B, Georgia, Suriname and Timor-Leste. Who has been awarded the Digital Transformation Award in March 2025? Right answer is option A, Reserve Bank of India. Bart de Wever has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A, Belgium. Which has become the first state to link forest ecosystem with green GDP? Correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Which country has become the world's third largest biofuel producer? Correct answer is option B, India. Where was the 14th edition of the joint military exercise, MATRI, between India and Thailand held recently? Correct answer is option C, Umroi, Meghalaya. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Which ISRO chief has been honored with G.P. Birla Memorial Award in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, V. Narayanan. Where was the 19th edition of the India-Nepal Joint Military Exercise, Surya Kiran 19, 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand. Who has been appointed as the President of the Fertilizer Association of India in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Shailesh C. Mehta. India's first interstate cheetah conservation corridor is being established between which two states? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Who has become the youngest and the first Asian to receive the Global Humanitarian Award? Correct answer is option B, Anant Ambani. What is the rank of India in Global Investment Risk and Resilience Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 104th rank. Which country awarded its highest national honor, Grand Order of Mugundhwa, to the US President Donald Trump? Correct answer is option A, South Korea. Jennifer Geerling Simons has been appointed as the first woman president of which country? Correct answer is option C, Suriname. Which has become the first Indian city to implement a QR-based digital house address system? Correct answer is option C, Indore. Yanesh Kumar has been elected as the president of which international organization? Correct answer is option C, IDEA, International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance. Which has become the first state in India to implement the translation system in the Legislative Assembly? Correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh Assembly. In which state will India's first, largest drone city be established? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which Indian origin astronaut set a new record for the longest spacewalking time by a woman? Right answer, option B, Sunita Williams. What is the target year set by the Health Ministry to eliminate measles and rubella in India? Correct answer is option B, 2026. Where was India's first open-air art wall museum inaugurated recently? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Where is the world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Vindhyachal, Madhya Pradesh. Who won the Indian Super League 2024-25 title? Correct answer is option B, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Which former Chief Justice of India received the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jagdish Singh Kehar. Which state has been declared as the ginger capital of India by Niti Aayog? Share your answer in the comment section below.